I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Badoo account. For that, first of all, open up your Badoo app on your phone. After you open up your app, on bottom right you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. Now tap on the settings icon which is on top left. Select account. At the bottom of the page you can see the option of delete account. Tap on it. Tap on the small circle before delete your account and then tap on continue. At the bottom of the page you'll see the option of no delete my account. Tap on it. After that you'll have to select the reason for deleting your account. After you're done, click delete account. This way you can delete Badoo account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.